Here, little folks, you have a little background noise to go with it, but don't worry about that. Just look down.
It crosses right under us. Canyon. It goes right up to that brown bush, and it intersects all the trees.
Doesn't that look fun?
On the left side,
Yeah, this is the.
Yeah, Chuck, every now and then on the news you see people get stranded up here. I mean, hiking up here and they get lost.
Oh, I can imagine. Tell you what, the tram in Palm Springs is nice in Southern California. That's a 2.5 miler too. And there's one in El Paso, and then there's one in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Oh, you gotta love it, folks.
Pretty awesome.
It's hard to, it's like going to the Grand Canyon. You tell people about it, show pictures, it's not the same.
Yeah.
You just gotta go there.
You sound like a true nature lover.
It's a giant hole.
You better believe.
The colors are beautiful.
Yeah, I'm in nature. Between food and outdoors. Oops. Let's do this one. Where am I going? Let's do the photo part.
The most exciting thing I ever did was the mule ride through the Grand Canyon.
Did you?
Oh boy. I'll never do it again. I didn't realize that I was afraid of heights.
Did you get that one spot where the trail is only like 2 feet wide? It's just
scariest thing I ever
mules.
did in my life.
Yeah.
And I had no idea what I was in for.
I was told it was
it's
grip
not
the mule and close your eyes.
Oh yeah, it's very scary.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you've enjoyed the tram ride up so far as much as everybody else has in here. And they're still with us. Nobody jumped ship. How are you doing, young man? You kind of bored? Are you excited? Or he's kind of got that, okay, are we there yet?
If you're on a hike up to the stone house, it's behind us to the left. It's about a mile away. It's right on the ridge up there. I would think, because it's subsided, I'm sure the snow has subsided somewhat. So it might not be all that icy.
All right, folks, we're coming in for a landing here.
It's a little breezy.
Sandia Peak, 10,378.
I can hear the wind.
Hey, it's the blowing. Sounds like my 3 wives all in one. All right, folks, we'll just hang on here just a little bit more. Everybody's getting excited now. The wind is here. When I was here in March, we had a couple of feet of snow up here, and it was something else. And the wind was blowing then too. Okay, we're getting there, okay? Catch y'all later, bye. Blown wind.
Yeah, I mean, you get away from the edge. That's good.
Everybody's having fun.
You can find restaurants and vending and water fountains.
Oh, she's blowing good today, huh?
Yes.
Woo!
Hi, Jake.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, huh? Listen to that wind blow. There you go, there's Albuquerque. They say from up here you can see 11,000 square miles, and you can see Colorado. So, we'll have to find all that out. Alright. Let's go. Lord knows where we're going. Everybody's having fun anyway. Oh Lord, sand. Let's go. We gotta go around and look the other way. Sorry, folks.
Yeah.
Just put up with me a little bit. Oh, look at this view, everybody. And we do have snow. There's a ski area, which I didn't realize they had up here. I gotta try this if I could. Wow. Sandia Mountains over in there. Santa Fe. Did he say Santa Fe was over this way? Was it Santa Fe that way?
I thought he said something like Colorado.
Okay. It's beautiful. All right, folks, we're gonna shut her down for right now. Hey guys, okay. I made it up here a little bit on a side trail. and I walked this little bit. I wanted to come up here because I think the view is worth it. I want to show you what I see. So come along with me as I get close to the edge, but not real close. All right, because that wind is really blowing. And I think we're headed up to that cabin or whatever that rock is up there. But you gotta brace your legs here, that's for sure. There's the first trail I was on down there, but it was too much snow and ice where I was originally at. So anyway, just want to show you. I ain't getting any closer because I want to make it to my 72nd birthday. Alright? Woo! So what do you think? Pretty neat, huh? Took the GoPro off for a while there because the cold or something was affecting the batteries, so I had to go to the warm ones. See you later. Until the next spot. See you guys. And there's Albuquerque. Okay, folks, we've gone maybe 100 yards from the tram and the restaurant. So let's take a look at where we're at here. It says we are here, right here. So we're only going to play with a couple of trails here. This trail is short, quarter of a mile loop. Too much snow right now. It's at the 10,400 foot level. So there's the crest right there. And we're, oh, it said we're here. I thought, yeah, we're here, down here somewhere. It's okay. But up here it's 10,678. So there's quite a bit. So anyway, let's take a look at what I've got. The Sandia Mountain Wilderness. We'll get a few pictures. I tried to do a live feed, but I ran out of reception up here. I don't know why. Right up here in the middle of nowhere. So that's there's Albuquerque down there. Let's take a look. The Cibola National Forest. Wow, it's just crazy to look at all this beautiful area. So let's take a look. While we do that, from time to time I'll shoot a couple of pictures just because I like doing that. I hope you folks enjoy what I get to see. So the steps they put in here make it good. So it's beautiful, you know what I mean? It's just gorgeous. All right, let's take another walk. Whew. That wind is a blowing her. Oh, there's the tram coming up. Wow, that's pretty. Another beautiful shot. All right, let's keep walking. Now look right down there, huh? Isn't that crazy? Yeah, you gotta love it. All right, let's go for a couple hundred yards and come back, or at least see what we can see. As you know, like you saw, you could ski up here. Snow and ice. Oh well, there goes that one. Looks a little snowy on the trail, and I don't have really a stick or something to work with. So let's just see what we got, see what we can walk here. Check that out, eh? Whew. Yeah, it's beautiful. And we'll just take it nice and easy and slow. Sorry, some of the video will be basically of ground. Wow. Alright, I'm going to shut this down for a little bit. See if I can find a easier trail or just find something a little different. Okay, catch ya. All right guys, I think I went a little further past some rough area. I took another nature trail, so we're gonna go down this way and see where this goes. Thank God they put a bar here, so let's see what happens. Okay. Alright, the lichen area, kind of liking it myself, but let's see what we got. So we're just walk the trail a little bit. We'll look for fossils at the same time, and maybe we'll get lucky and see something, maybe we won't. I think I bypassed some of the slipperier stuff that I was seeing earlier. Whew. Pretty neat, really, when you think about it. It's beautiful. All right, let's go. I can't say where no man has gone before, because men and women come through. So, not sure what we got, but I'll try not to keep looking at the ground. Actually, tilt that just a little bit more. Might work out better with my head down. All right, limber pine in the area here. So cool. Let's go see where this little trail is here, what this does. I don't know if we'll see any wildlife up here, but it's possible to see something, but no guarantees. All right, wow, look. Beautiful. Huh. Different things happen to different pieces of trees and wildlife here. Not always good things, since they scratch their initials and everything. But looks cool. All right, shut it down for a minute. Hey guys, we're back. We're still moving, but where we want to go is right up at the top of that pinnacle, the very top front. There's like a stone cabin or something up there. I'd like to see that if I could. So inside of that, I just want to show you again. We came up a little higher from where we were. Let's see here. Yep. Probably a game trailer or two down there for sure. I just love that rock formation right there with that cut in the middle. And obviously we came from way over. I've stood over in there. You saw the video of that location. So anyway, just trying to show you a little bit without getting too close. Alright, so hope you're enjoying this as much as I'm showing it. I just want to make it to my next birthday, so we're going to make it around the turn here in a minute, and then we're going to head up, and that's probably going to cost me a lot of heavy breathing. So alright. Hey, if all I do today is hike in this area, I'm having a beautiful day. I hope you guys are having as much fun. So remember, share the videos, hit the stars, hit the like buttons, and most of all, share this with all your friends so that they can see what Action 5 sees. Remember, follow Action 5, capital A, C-T-I-O-N, the number 5 and no spaces. Share that bad boy.